Mercury might be the smallest planet in our solar system, but it's hiding some of the biggest mysteries. Despite being closest to the Sun, new discoveries are rewriting everything we thought we knew about this scorching world. In this video, we'll dive into its strange surface, its magnetic secrets, and why these findings are crucial for understanding rocky planets everywhere. Stick around, because Mercury is far from ordinary. When most people think of Mercury, they imagine a lifeless, burnt rock orbiting too close to the Sun for anything interesting to survive. But the truth is far more fascinating. Thanks to recent flybys from the Bepi-Colombo spacecraft, we've seen detailed images of craters near Mercury's poles that never see sunlight. These regions remain in permanent shadow, and because of that, they can reach some of the coldest temperatures in the solar system despite Mercury's reputation as a blazing hot world. What's truly mind-blowing is the possibility of water ice hiding inside those craters. Imagine that, a planet just 58 million kilometers from the Sun, with frozen reservoirs locked in eternal darkness. Add to that signs of past volcanic plains and ancient lava flows, and suddenly Mercury looks less like a dead world and more like a planet with a surprisingly active history. This changes the way we think about planetary geology. It means Mercury's surface wasn't simply scorched and forgotten. It evolved, shifted, and may still hold secrets we've only just begun to uncover. And that leads us straight to another puzzle: what's going on deep inside the planet? Mercury's interior is just as strange as its surface. Scientists have discovered that, despite its tiny size, Mercury has a massive iron core that takes up nearly 85% of its volume. Even more surprising, this core is still partly molten, which is why Mercury generates a magnetic field. But here's the twist: this magnetic field is incredibly weak, only about 1% as strong as Earth's, and it's offset, shifted northward instead of centered like ours. Recent measurements from Bepi-Colombo's instruments show how the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles from the Sun, interacts with Mercury's fragile shield. Proton storms can slip through gaps and strike the planet's surface, blasting particles back into space. By modeling these interactions, scientists can better understand how Mercury's core behaves and why its magnetism is so unusual compared to other rocky planets. Why does this matter? Because Mercury offers a natural laboratory. By studying its struggling magnetic field, we gain clues about how Earth's much stronger field formed and why it is so essential for protecting life. In short, Mercury's inner secrets don't just explain its own story, they also help us unlock the history of planetary evolution across the solar system. So why are scientists so excited about these findings? Because Mercury acts like a time capsule. Unlike Earth, which has plate tectonics and erosion constantly reshaping its surface, Mercury preserves records of events from billions of years ago. Every crater, every lava plain, every magnetic anomaly is a frozen piece of history. This makes Mercury invaluable for comparing rocky planets. By analyzing its craters and icy shadows, we can test theories about how water might be delivered to worlds close to their stars. By studying its magnetic field, we can explore how planetary cores evolve and why some planets hold onto atmospheres while others lose them. And by examining its volcanic history, we can connect the dots between Mercury, Mars, the Moon, and even rocky exoplanets orbiting distant stars. And there's more. When Bepi-Colombo finally settles into Mercury's orbit in 2026, it will deliver the most detailed maps and measurements ever made. Those results could completely redefine how we see not just Mercury, but the role of small, iron-rich planets in solar systems everywhere. In short, Mercury might be small, but its importance to planetary science is enormous. Mercury is no longer just the little planet by the Sun. It's a world of frozen shadows, magnetic mysteries, and cosmic lessons. Each discovery reveals that even the smallest planet can hold the biggest secrets. Keep watching the skies, because Mercury's story is only beginning to unfold.